Are you searching for jewelry repair around me after an unfortunate accident with your favorite piece? Our experts at Dorano Jewelry have been performing repairs for years. There are 3 things that other jewelry stores won't tell you about jewelry repair, so we put together this article to help. Most people don't know that even the highest quality jewelry requires maintenance and how jewelers resize rings without stretching them. Plus, not all gems can withstand high heat levels. There's a lot more to know about our Arcadia jewelry repair shop if you're interested. Even the highest quality jewelry needs maintenance. First of all, even the highest quality jewelry in Arcadia isn't invincible. It requires regular maintenance to last as long as possible. We often think of metal and gemstones as being extremely strong and durable. However, the truth is that they can still wear out over time. Metal and gemstones in jewelry aren't invincible, even if they're solid. Silver, platinum, and gold are very soft metals. While this makes them easier to work with and shape for wearing, daily wear and tear can significantly impact them. Plus, not all gemstones are as durable as diamonds. Pears, emeralds, and opals are very soft when compared to diamonds. These gems can scratch and chip over time, making them look old. That said, no gemstone is completely impervious. Even diamonds can chip if you hit it at just the right angle. Daily activities can put a strain on your jewelry. If you wait too long, gems can easily come loose. Plus, the jewelry will eventually dull and tarnish, no matter its quality. If you want your gems to sparkle again, you need to have them maintained by experts at the nearest jewelry repair. That way, you won't need to search for jewelry near me online to find a replacement. Jewelers add gold to resize rings. Do you know how jewelry stores resize a ring? Many people mistakenly believe that jewelers stretch the ring until it can fit your finger comfortably. However, if they did that, the ring would become too thin. Instead, experts cut the ring and open it to the correct size. Then, they add more metal, which matches the ring. This method doesn't thin out the jewelry but still fits much better. The jeweler then solders or welds the metal into place and smooths it out to finish resizing. You won't be able to tell they resized the ring when completed. Sometimes, a jeweler may stretch a wedding band unless you already had it cut in the past. Still, they may choose not to do this if stretching will make the band too thin. Not all gems resist heat. Next, diamonds can tolerate a lot of heat without getting damaged. However, not all gemstones are the same. Pearls, topaz, amethyst, and opals can't resist heat and may take damage from it. Because most jewelry repair involves heat, repairing items with these types of gemstones may take a long time. Experts may use lasers to reach specific areas of the jewelry. Or, they may go through the time-consuming process of removing each gem and resetting it after using heat. In short, not all gemstones can resist damage from high heat. If your jewelry uses a stone that may take damage at high temperatures, you can expect the repair process to take more time. We hope you learned something about jewelry repair from this article. If you ever require Arcadia jewelry repair, make sure to reach out to our experts at Dorano Jewelry.